Hello, buenos dias. In this video we are going to describe 2D shapes and we're going to describe these in English and Spanish. So what I'll do is I'll go through the names of the shapes first of all and then we'll move on to describing them. Las formas, shapes. We've got some shapes here on the slide and I'll go through them with you. We have a circle. In Spanish we say un círculo, un círculo. We also have a green square, and in Spanish we say un cuadrado, un cuadrado. We have a red triangle, and we say in Spanish un triángulo, un triángulo. And finally, we have a rectangle. And to say rectangle in Spanish, we say un rectángulo, rectángulo. So I'll say all four shapes again. El círculo, un cuadrado, un triángulo, un rectángulo. Do you want to practice saying these? So I'll say them again with a pause. Un círculo, un cuadrado, un triángulo, un rectángulo. Very well done. Okay, so I'm going to say a name of a shape in Spanish and I would like you to tell me which shape it is. Estoy pensando de una forma verde. I'm thinking of a green shape. Se llama, it's called, un cuadrado. What shape is it? It's a square. Well done. Okay, let me think of another one. Estoy pensando de una forma rosa. I'm thinking of a pink shape. Se llama, it's called, un círculo. Well done, it's a circle. Okay, so we're going to go on to the next slide now and we're going to learn a few more shape names. Okay, here are some more shapes. You may be already familiar with a couple of these. So we've got a red love heart on the top left. And to say a love heart, we can say un corazón. Un corazón. Now in Spain, the pronunciation, the way the word is said is slightly different. So the Z wouldn't be a S sound, it would be a F, like a TH sound. Okay, so it would be un corazón. Okay, so we've got un corazón, and we'll go on to the next shape. Next to it, in a dark blue, it's a five-sided shape. And a five-sided shape, you're right, is a pentagon. And to say a pentagon in Spanish is actually fairly similar. We say un pentágono. Un pentágono. Okay, next up we've got a pink six-sided shape. And a six-sided shape is a hexagon. And to say hexagon in Spanish, again, it's quite similar. We say un hexágono. Un hexágono. The next one, I'm going to kind of go around in a circle actually. So we've got a green shape and it has got, let's count the sides in Spanish. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. Siete lados, it's got 7 sides. And a 7-sided shape is a heptagon. Okay? And to say heptagon in Spanish, it's un heptágono. Un heptágono. And I'm going to jump one and then come back to the star. So, an 8-sided shape. Okay, let's check it is 8 sides. So let's count the sides in Spanish. We've got uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho. So we've got an 8-sided shape which is an octagon. Okay, And to say octagon in Spanish, and you guessed it, it is fairly similar, is un octágono. Un octágono. Okay, and I always think of an octagon as an octopus has 8 kind of legs, and I always use octopus to help me remember that an octagon has 8 sides. And finally, we have one more shape, okay, and this is a star. And to say a star in Spanish, okay, is una estrella. Una estrella. Okay, now we're going to go on to describing some of the shapes. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. We call the corners vertices. That's when there's more than one, and if there's just one, we call it a vertex. A corner is where 2 lines meet. Okay, and I will, using my pencil, circle some of them for you. So there's one there, another there, and you can see down here the lines are pointing to 2 vertices down here. In Spanish then, and I'll do this nice and slowly. So, un cuadrado, a square, has 4, remember the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, lados iguales. Iguales means the same. Y 4 esquinas. Esquinas are the corners. Llamamos a las esquinas vértices. So we call them vertices. Una esquina es donde se encuentran 2 líneas. So a corner is where 2 lines meet. Okay, 2 líneas means 2 lines. A rectangle has 4 sides. It has 2 pair of equal sides, because if you see, there are 2 longer ones and 2 shorter ones. Okay, it also has 4 vertices, and I'm going to circle these in green. And here are the vertices, the corners. And in Spanish, un rectángulo tiene 4 lados. Okay, it has 4 sides. 4. Oops, I don't know where the camera's facing. 4 lados. Okay, 2 pares de lados iguales. Okay, iguales means the same. También, it also has 4 vértices. Now a circle is slightly different. A circle has 1 side and 0 vertices. There are no corners on it. Okay, and you can see in the diagram, I've labelled it a curved side. So in Spanish, un círculo tiene un lado, 1 side. Okay, lado is a side. Y no tiene vértices, and does not have vertices. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 vertices. Un pentágono tiene 5 lados, 5 sides, y 5 vértices, and 5 vertices. A star has 10 sides and 10 vertices. Una estrella, a star, has 10 lados, 10 sides, and 10 vértices. Now you may wonder where these vertices are. So I've counted, there are 5 on the outside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then there are another 5 on the inside. So 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and 10. I'm going to teach you a version of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in Spanish. Because star was one of our shapes, I thought, well, why not bring in the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Have a listen and maybe join in if you start learning some of the words. Estrellita, ¿dónde estás? Me pregunto qué serás. en el cielo y en el mar, un diamante de verdad. Estrellita, ¿dónde estás? Me pregunto qué serás. So going through the words, we've got Estrellita, ¿dónde estás? So little star, basically like twinkle, twinkle, little star. Where are you? I wonder, how I wonder what you are. Okay, me pregunto qué serás. How I wonder what you are. Now the lyrics aren't exactly the same, but it says in the sky and in the sea, a diamond, a true diamond. So un diamante de verdad. Okay. Estrellita, ¿dónde estás? Little star, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Where are you? How I wonder what you are. Okay, so it's not exact, and it's also it's very hard to sort of translate the meaning kind of word for word. But anyway, I'll sing it again one more time and have a go this time. Maybe you might like to join in with some of the actions if I can make sure that I'm fitting into the camera properly so that you can see fully. And then if you can join in with the actions, that's great. And if you can join in with any of the words, that's even better. Okay, let's try again. Estrellita, ¿dónde estás? Me pregunto qué serás. En el cielo y en el mar, un diamante de verdad. Estrellita, ¿dónde estás? Me pregunto qué serás. And one last time. Estrellita, ¿dónde estás? Me pregunto qué serás. En el cielo y en el mar, un diamante de verdad. Estrellita, ¿dónde estás? Me pregunto qué serás. Very well done. We're going on a shape hunt. Nosotros vamos a buscar formas. So, could you take a tour perhaps around your home or around you in school, in your classroom? Have a look around. Which shapes did you find? Could you let us know? With the grown-ups' permission, perhaps you might even like to share these on the Manorfield Twitter and tag us in it. I would love to hear your ideas. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Adios! Hasta luego! Until next time.